Speed show up in Morocco to surprise his fans at the AFCON finals, guys. Guess what Algerians did to him?
Oh, they don't like me. You don't throw water at somebody you don't like. No. I don't. Bro, the atmosphere is crazy. We leaving? No, let's go. We leaving?
Seriously, I don't know why we hate our fellow African brothers and sisters like this. Hey, these Algerians are not qualified. Yeah, you guys are not qualified to be called Africans. I swear. Charlie, if you don't want to be part of us, I beg, you are free to leave us now. Hey, leave us the hell alone, bro. If you don't want us, we don't want you also. Can you imagine how these people treated him? They were throwing bottle of water like on him. What the? Are you guys okay? But are you guys watching the way other African countries treated him? If you don't want to, I'm repeating myself again, if you don't want to be part of us, like Africans, I beg, pack your load, they go. Nobody wants you. We don't also want you. Oh, is it because you guys are light-skinned, so you're thinking maybe you're European or Americans? If that's what you guys think you are, then please pack your load and go. Let's see who is going to accept you. Look at you. Oh. We are even managing you guys in Africa, and look at the way you are treating us. When you come to our countries, you want us to treat you better. But look at how you are treating us. Can you imagine? Don't you know? If you guys know who really this guy is, you will not even do that shit you did to him. He came to enjoy with his fan. At first, he was happy. People were happy. Enemies of progress. He came from nowhere throwing things at him. Look at how he's angry. Please, I beg. Anything that you guys are doing, don't make him to cancel. He have to come to Ghana. He should come to Ghana, I beg. His bodyguard, hello, hi. Hey, I beg, Mona, hurry, come Ghana, okay? Hurry up and come to Ghana so that if he wants to give up, let him give up going to Nigeria, not Ghana, I beg. Guys, we still have other videos. Let's dive into it.
This is the most slowest stream ever, bro. Why is I'm about to get mad, bro, because we just everything y'all making everything difficult. We making everything difficult.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Ashraf Khalil, the operation manager. You're welcome in Cairo and Abu Dhabi.
Thank you. Thanks. I think everybody's overthinking everything on the team right now. Everything is overthinking. I know it's not our team, but we're over. Some people on our team is overthinking a lot of stuff. Woo.
It's crazy here. 30 minutes.
Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Habibi. Oh.
Shit happens. You okay?
Yes.
You alright? I'm a
Oh.
doctor, don't worry. Are you okay?
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm good. Oh crap. Holy crap.
Good?
Whoa.
Seriously, man.
Huh?
saved you. That's all the roof.
I thought that was a platform.
You good?
It's a lot of restrictions here. I don't think y'all realize that. Trust me.
Rules.
Huh?
A lot of rules.
Yeah, it's a lot of rules here. Rules. Same thing. Rules and restrictions that mean the same thing. Theoretically. Don't it? Rules, restrictions. Isn't that the same thing? But there's a lot of rules here when it comes to filming. But chat, but we still having a good stream, bro, regardless, bro. Regardless, chat, we don't let that happen. We don't let none of that stop us, bro. We still doing a lit stream in Egypt.
Only listen to the taste buds. Now let's take one more bite. One more bite.
First day. First day, that's perfect.
No. We cannot. We have to respect the place, the monuments, everything there. So we cannot lay down because this is one of the blocks here for the tomb.
Oh, okay. Oh.
You're a good guy. You
Yeah.
respect our history, and this is good with you. Let's get inside. I want to show you another false door here.
Wait, I have a question. Why is his nose gone?
We have two reasons. The first one, because the erosion factors. This is the weakness point of the statue. Because the erosion factors, it's broken. And maybe the second reason, because after this king tried to broke his nose to be the strongest.
Oh. So it's the ego thing, huh?
Yes.
The African tour there is a big issue because as time they go, we have come to draw. He they draw closer to the final stages. Yeah. Because as it stands, he is currently in Ethiopia, right? He has done Angola, Eswatini, South Africa, Kenya, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Mozambique. Currently, he's in Ethiopia. And you know, as things they stand there, he just have some few North African countries to do, and then he will officially come to West Africa. Yeah, and the information that the year be say, the West Africa, Ghana and Nigeria, one of them go be the last. Either Ghana or Nigeria, one go be the last, cause on year Ghana, Nigeria before he continue there. Yeah. Rashi. So Ghana, Nigeria, one of us go be the last. He go take wrap up. Now, the last time I did a video here that I was saying that Ghanaians and Nigerians are worried because they are looking at the fun I show speed they enjoy in other African countries. If they make people wonder, say, what can we offer this man? What can we offer this young guy that will sit there and say, oh, at least the numbers we give him? Because what Kenyans they do, bro, the Kenyan stream I check over 9.8 million views. So the people when they watch the stream, the Ethiopia one to currently over 200k people are watching live. So people they ask, Ghana tourism, what itinerary are you guys bringing on board? What have you guys planned? We hope he's not going to Jubilee House to go and meet the president. We hope he's not going to meet minister for this and this. Now, the acting deputy CEO of Ghana Tourism Authority, Abeku Santana, the name is Abeku Santana, but Abeku Santana. He is the deputy CEO of GTA, Ghana Tourism Authority. This morning at exactly 9:16 a.m., he dropped some itinerary where he asked Ghanaians, what do Ghanaians think about this? Do we accept it? Do we think this itinerary go make sense for I show speed? I seen the itinerary, I was like, oh, this is a beautiful list. This is a beautiful plan, but a lot of bad day. This itinerary is one of the best itineraries I have seen. Maybe there's a few things I would want to add, probably for enter Bukom. enter the Jamestown there with the boys, do some boxing and things like the Jamestown. I feel you go get more of the fun and lively activities for there. Because when Kendrick Lamar came to Ghana, Jamestown, that way you go enjoy. Ya jido kunin chinambia mano. No kunim. So that's like one of the few things that I go add. I seen for some slave river day there. If I go there, go cry. Because the whole stream they do, I don't see they enter any country they cry. Ghana there, we go give you story, make you cry. So the itinerary is here, and I'm going to ask you guys, what do you people make of this itinerary? Then after, I'll tell you the but that I feel about this itinerary, because as a travel content creator, 95% of these places I have been there.
Okay.
So I know how things they work on the grounds. The first thing, this is the flyer. Can I show speed survive in Ghana? The ultimate Ghana challenge. The first thing that was listed was I show speed with elephants at the Mole National Park. 2, test carriage at the Paga Crocodile Pond. 3, run at the Kakum Canopy Walkway. 4, climb to the top of the Wuli Waterfalls, the highest waterfall. I think it's in West Africa. Wuli is the highest waterfall in West Africa or Ghana. I don't know, one of them. Then pull the Okonfo-Anokye sword.
Yeah. My friend, do what?
Pull the Okonfo-Anokye sword.
I be last week. You want poo?
Pull lele.
Yeah, go.
Pull. The only thing we left we are the call Okonfo-Anokye about them no uncle too. No two ever can. Honestly, right? Growing up, no, this be one of the things we. Yeah. I visited Okonfo-Anokye's hometown. I know the history and everything. Sword near the hour from say there. I've not been there, so you know, yeah. But this be the list that the minister brought, and then he added that you can also add yours: adventure, culture, pure energy in one destination, Ghana.